Hey gang, welcome back. Kent here, now known as Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking. CJ, Cooking with CJ, came up with an idea for some of us to do a regional cook. Now being from Iowa, I get a lot of crap about corn. So we're going to make corn dogs today, gang. A little different take on corn dogs. We're not using hot dogs in there. We're actually going to use a jalapeno and cheddar brat. But hang here a minute and I'm going to show you the ingredients. All right, everybody, what we have for ingredients today, we're going to be using 1.5 cups of water, not pitchered obviously, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1.5 cups seasoned flour, 1 cup yellow corn muffin or corn dog mix, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 egg, and 6 jalapeno and cheddar smoked sausage. We're going to skewer the sausage, roll them in the batter, cook them in our 10-inch cast iron pot with some canola oil. So I will be back when we start to mix up the batter. Thanks, guys. All right, everybody, here we are back with our mix. We have our cornmeal breading, our seasoned flour, our baking soda, and our cornstarch together. What we're going to do here, we're just going to start to mix the dry ingredients together. We'll get that all incorporated, and we're going to start adding our wet ingredients. So let's get this mixed up good here real quick. And what I have is 1 egg that we're going to add here. And we're going to start with about 1 cup of the water out of the 1.5 cups. We want it fairly thick. We don't want it too loose and runny. It's always easier to add water than it is to take it out. So I'm going to mix this up, probably make a mess, and when I come back, it'll be ready to go. See you shortly. All right, everybody, we've got the batter all mixed up. Didn't make too big a mess. So what you want is like a thick pancake batter. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our jalapeno and cheddar brats, smoked sausage. We're going to dip them in here, roll them around, get them nice and coated. It's not going to be even, but hey, that's the way it is. Okay, our oil right now is at 350 degrees. So we're going to take these, we're going to batter them up, put them on a wire rack here, and I'll bring you back when we head to the fry oil. See you shortly. All right, here we are at our oil. Got a nice little shimmer to the top of it here. Going to drop these bad boys in. Let them float. This is the tricky part, is to try to help set the batter without burning your fingers. And here comes the third one. We're going to cook these 6 in 2 different batches. Don't want to overcrowd the pot, then everything just turns oily and is not pleasant. So, grab my tongs here real quick. I'm going to try to keep them apart a little. And yeah, they are starting to look amazing. So, what I'm going to do, got a plate here with a paper towel. When they're done, we're going to pull them off, let them drain for a little bit, and I will bring you back, let you know how long it took for them to fully cook and give you a taste test. So, CJ, thank you for coming up with this idea. So far, there's 4 or 5 of us that are going to be doing regional cooks. California guy from Texas, and even a Canadian. And we'll see how many of our other buddies want to jump on board with this. Just something fun to do. Should be a good time seeing all the different dishes. So, like I said, being from Iowa, I get joked about corn a lot, so I decided, hey, let's jazz up a corn dog a little bit. I'll bring you back when they're done and it's time for the taste. See you shortly, gang. All right, first batch is done. Takes about 4 minutes a batch. Get that nice golden brown color. I know I lied to you earlier, but I decided to do the second batch with you too. I know you probably got the idea after the first one, but hey, what the heck? More the merrier, right? So, we're gonna get this batch in, and then I promise, when we come back, it'll be taste test time. All right, I let these cool a little bit. I'm gonna try to pick this up without dumping it all over. But there we have 2 of the corn dogs with a spicy mayo I made, which is mayonnaise, and some ghost pepper hot sauce. So, as if this is not hot enough already, we're taking it to a new level. Let's give one of these a try here. Here we go. Definitely some kick there. I like that. That's good. This is my take on it, guys. If you want to jump on board, go ahead, feel free. Go ahead. Make yourself your regional dish, and let's see what you got. So, hope you enjoyed this little video. It was a fun one to make. Everybody have a great day, and look forward to seeing your videos. See you, gang. Thanks. All right, everybody. Few channels that are involved in this with me. CJ, Cooking with CJ. This was his brainchild, his idea. He came up with it. I think it's kind of cool. It's going to be fun. Let's see. Eric, our Texan involved at Roundhouse Ranch Barbecue. Our Canadian friend Scott at In for the Grill. And Lewis, which is Lewis at Arshack Barbecue from the Northwest. I heard a little talk that maybe Barlow at Barlow Barbecue, excuse me, was going to do it, and maybe second Texan, either Big Lou at Big Lou Barbecue or Johnny at Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Please look these guys up. They're great guys. I've gotten to become friends with them, and they do some awesome stuff. So, see y'all.